Your brain is dying every night, and nobody told you why. Okay, wait. Stop scrolling. I need 30 seconds of your life, and I promise this is not a waste of your time. Actually, it might save your grandparents. Actually, it might save you. We are talking about your brain. Specifically, what is happening to it while you sleep. And neurologists are losing their minds over this because seniors 70 and up are making 3 mistakes every single night, and nobody is talking about it. Let us get into it right now. Mistake number 1, sleeping with the TV on. I know Grandpa loves falling asleep to the news. Classic behavior. Adorable. Also, absolutely destroying his hippocampus. Here's what happens. Your brain at night is supposed to be running its memory consolidation arc. Like it's literally filing away everything from the day. Important stuff goes into long-term memory. Useless stuff gets deleted. Beautiful system. But when there is noise and light coming from the TV, your brain keeps getting pulled back into a half-awake state. The filing system gets interrupted. Nothing gets saved properly. You wake up and yesterday feels like a blur. And if this happens every single night for years, neurologists are saying this is one of the fastest ways to accelerate cognitive decline in older adults. The TV has to go off. Non-negotiable. Mistake number 2, not drinking enough water before bed. And before you say anything, yes, there is a balance, because nobody wants to be running to the bathroom at 3 a.m. But here's the thing. Mild chronic dehydration is so common in seniors and almost nobody catches it. Your brain is literally 73% water. When you are even slightly dehydrated during sleep, your brain cannot flush out metabolic waste properly. There's actually a system called the glymphatic system, and it basically acts like a dishwasher for your brain at night. It clears out toxic proteins linked to Alzheimer's. But it only works well when you are properly hydrated. So if grandma is skipping water all day and going to bed borderline parched, her brain dishwasher is running on no soap. Half a glass of water before bed. That is the move. Small, easy, actually matters. Mistake number 3, and this one is wild, taking certain supplements at the wrong time. Specifically magnesium. So many seniors are either not taking it at all or taking it in the morning, which is basically useless for sleep and brain health. Magnesium glycinate specifically is the one neurologists keep bringing up. It crosses the blood-brain barrier. It activates GABA receptors, which help your brain actually enter deep sleep. Deep sleep is where all the real memory magic happens. Without enough deep sleep, your brain is not cleaning itself, it is not consolidating memories. And most seniors are severely deficient in magnesium because our soil is depleted and the foods that used to have it just do not have it the same way anymore. And okay, here's where I have to tell you about something because it is genuinely relevant and I would be doing you dirty if I didn't mention it. There is a magnesium glycinate supplement on Amazon that has absolutely gone viral in the health space. It is specifically dosed for sleep and cognitive support. Chelated form, which means your body actually absorbs it instead of just flushing it out. Thousands of reviews from people saying their sleep quality changed within like a week. Older adults especially are leaving comments saying their brain fog lifted, their memory feels sharper. They are actually dreaming again, which is a sign of real deep sleep cycles. A link is in the description. I'm not joking when I say this is the most practical thing you can do tonight. Get it for yourself, get it for your parents, get it for your grandparents. It costs less than a meal out, and it is doing something every single night while you sleep. Okay, so recap, because I know this was a lot. Turn the TV off before bed. Drink half a glass of water before you sleep. And take magnesium glycinate at night, not in the morning. 3 things. All free or almost free. And your brain will literally thank you by working better. Share this with someone who needs it. Older relatives especially. The algorithm is not showing this to enough people, and that genuinely upsets me. Drop a comment if your grandparents do the TV thing, because I feel like that is everyone. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.